Welcome back! Today, we're diving into the ultimate brow showdown, fluffy versus defined brows, 2025's hottest trends. We'll break down the boldest looks, from natural and airy to sharp and sculpted, all in claymation. Get ready to see these trends come to life in the most creative way. Are you team fluffy or team defined? Drop your go-to style in the comments. Grab your snacks and let's jump into the future of brows. This is going to be iconic. First up, the fluffy brow. 2025's soft, natural upgrade. Forget stiff, glued-down looks. It's all about airy, feathery volume and celebrating your natural texture. Brush hairs diagonally upward for a full, cloud-like effect. Use a clear gel or brow wax for hold and fill in only where needed with light, hair-like strokes. On our claymation model, we're sculpting individual strands for that 3D, feathery vibe. The result? Softer, more open features and a youthful, undone look. This trend is perfect for anyone growing out their brows or loving a fuller set. It's about enhancing, not hiding your natural beauty. The fluffy brow is a little wild, totally modern, and absolutely gorgeous. It's a gentle rebellion against the overdone brows of the past. Embrace the fluff. 2025 is all about natural confidence. Now, let's talk defined brows, the CEO of brow trends. 2025's version is sharp, structured, but never harsh or blocky. Think crisp outlines, a clean arch, and a soft ombre fill for a modern, powerful look. Use a fine pencil or pomade to carve out your shape, focusing product on the arch and tail. Concealer under the brow sharpens the finish. Our claymation CEO gets a sculpted, flawless arch. See how it lifts and polishes the face. Defined brows are for those who love glamour and aren't afraid to make a statement. It's about perfecting your natural shape, not faking a new one. The result is timeless, elegant, and bold. While fluffy brows embrace texture, defined brows celebrate structure. Both are about confidence. Choose your power. The defined brow is a masterpiece for the modern era. Sometimes, a sharp line says it all. Can't choose between fluffy and defined? Enter the hybrid brow, 2025's most customizable trend. Soft, brushed-up texture at the front, transitioning to a sharp, clean arch and tail. Start with clear gel for a feathery front, then switch to pencil or pomade for definition at the end. On our clay model, you'll see the seamless blend from natural to sculpted. The hybrid brow gives you dimension, structure, and personality. It's all about balance. Soft meets strong, natural meets polished. You control how fluffy or sharp you want it. This trend is huge because it's all about individuality. No more one-size-fits-all. Hybrid brows let you tell your own story. In 2025, it's not a compromise, it's an upgrade. Ready for high-fashion drama? Meet the bleached brow, 2025's boldest statement. This look erases the brow frame, making eyes and lips pop for a futuristic editorial vibe. It's a rebellion against tradition and a blank canvas for creative makeup. If you want to try it, see a pro for real bleach, or fake it with concealer and powder. On our claymation model, we swap dark brows for skin-toned ones, instantly shifting the face's focus. The effect is dramatic, chic, and totally transformative. Bleached brows are about breaking rules and expressing a new side of yourself. It's not for every day, but for a bold event, it's unforgettable. In 2025, we're all about fearless experimentation. The bleached brow is your blank slate. What story will you tell? Want color without the bleach? 2025 is all about colored brows. Match them to your hair, outfit, or mood. From subtle burgundy to neon pink, colored brows are pure self-expression. Use colored gels, mascaras, or even eyeshadow for a pop of color. Coat every hair for a bold or soft effect. Primer underneath makes colors pop. Our claymation star rocks pastel pink, electric blue, and emerald green. Each shade changes the whole vibe. Colored brows are playful, creative, and totally customizable. Makeup should be fun. Break the rules and coordinate your look. In 2025, brows are your new canvas for color. Why not have purple brows on a Tuesday? Let's talk laminated brows, the queen of sleek, lifted looks. Lamination straightens and lifts brow hairs for a full, glossy, brushed-up effect that lasts weeks. 2025's take is softer, less glued, more feathery, but still ultra-groomed. Always see a pro for the chemical treatment or fake it with a stronghold gel at home. Brush hairs up and press flat for that signature shine. Our claymation model gets a sleek, vertical brow, so polished. Laminated brows blend the best of fluffy and defined trends. They open up the eyes and give a fresh, awake look. Low maintenance, high impact. Laminated brows are here to stay. Sleek, lifted, and effortlessly chic for 2025. Finally, the minimalist brow, a quiet trend for the no-makeup lover. It's all about gentle enhancement and celebrating your natural shape. Think groomed, brushed brows with maybe a hint of tint or pencil. Imperfections welcome. Focus on brow care. Keep them healthy, trimmed, and conditioned. Use a tinted gel for subtle color and hold, or a fine pencil for tiny touch-ups. On our clay model, it's a barely there transformation, but it completes the face. Minimalist brows are perfect for everyday wear and a breath of fresh air in a bold beauty world. Sometimes the softest touch makes the biggest impact. This trend is about confidence in simplicity. In 2025, you don't have to follow the crowd. Find beauty in your own skin. The minimalist brow is quietly powerful. And there you have it, the 7 hottest brow trends for 2025, all in claymation. The future of brows is all about personal expression. No rules, just what makes you feel amazing. Try something new. Fluffy, defined, bleached, colored, or minimalist. Makeup is meant for fun. Tag me if you try these trends. I want to see your brow artistry. Which 2025 trend are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.